For a GU10 replacement, these are a little annoying to replace, but what's even worse is these are halogens, and I found an LED replacement. That's what this one is right here. Nice thing is with the halogens, you have to be careful not to touch the bulb, otherwise they might burn out, so it's a little bit trickier. Nice thing about these is you don't have to worry about this because it's an LED. Also doesn't get so hot that it might burn somebody. So nice thing about the LEDs, and also they last a lot longer. This one lasts about 25,000 hours is what it's rated for. Doesn't mean it'll actually last that long, but says it has a long life, so it's a much better solution and wasn't too expensive, so happy about that. Hopefully the lighting is similar and to test it out. So I was able to change out, these are the halogens now that I just put back in the case, so I know that they're still good. Nice advantage of the LEDs, you can touch the bulbs and it won't ruin the bulbs
like the halogens will
any
from
fingerprints. And also the LEDs get really hot. This one's still really hot from being taken out. And was a little bit brighter, and these will last about 25,000 hours for the LED ones, whereas the halogen ones were about 1,000 hours. So yeah, the other nice advantage is these are dimmable, the LEDs as well. So I think it was a good upgrade for the price. Wasn't too bad. So I think was definitely worth it. I've seen them much more expensive, and I actually found them for a really good price. So hopefully I can find something, and I'll put a link in the description below for you guys, something that's a good price to convert these GU10s to LEDs, because they are kind of annoying to change. You know, it's not too difficult, but it's a little tricky when you can't touch the bulb. What I did was wear a glove, and makes it nice and easy. But anyway, LED, I think a much better way to go. So I'm going to order some more of those for the lights that I do have of that style that take the GU10. I've gotten away from those and using a screw-in base because I like the screw-in base, you know, a traditional bulb, much better, and that you can use any kind of bulb. So we use LED bulbs in this particular style base instead, whereas these GU10s, you're stuck using the GU10s. So this was my solution for the units that do have the GU10s. I'll try to get more of those, and that way it makes it a little bit better, not having bulbs going out all the time.